students. So let us continue with the third main question of the exercise 1.3. So in an AB, so he has given A which is equal to 5, D equal to 3 and AN equal to 50. We have to find the N and Sn. First we will write the given information. See here A is equals to 5, then D which is equal to 3 and then AN which is equal to 50. So AN is equals to 50. So this implies what is AN here? A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D which is equal to 50. Which is equal to 50. So now substitute the values of A and D here. A it is 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D it is 3 which is equal to 50. Now you take 5 to the RHS, it becomes minus 5. N minus 1 into 3, this is equal to 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5. I have taken 5 to the RHS, it becomes minus 5. So N minus 3, N minus 1 into 3, this is equal to 45. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. Now take 3 to the RHS, it goes to the denominator. N minus 1, this is equal to 45 divided by 3. So N minus 1, this is equal to 15. 3 ones are 3 15s are. So now N which is equal to 15 plus 1. I have taken minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes plus 1. N which is equal to 16. So we have got the value of N here. Next we will have to find Sn. So see here. We have Sn which is equal to N by 2. Sn which is equal to N by 2. A plus An. Sn which is equal to N by 2 A plus An or A plus L. Here he has given An, that is why I use An. Now Sn which is equal to N by 2. It is 16 divided by 2. Inside the bracket A plus An. A it is 5 plus An is 50. It is 50. So now see here. 16 by 2 it is 8. Sn which is equal to 8 into 55. So here Sn which is equal to how much we get now? 55 into 8. So 55 into 8 it is 440. So we get 440. So this is the Sn value. So this is all about the first sub question. So okay, let us solve the second question now. So first we will write the given data. So given, so here A is equals to 7 and then A13 which is equal to 35. So now A13 can be written as A plus 12D. It is A plus 12D which is equal to 35. What is A here? A it is 7. So 7 plus 12D, this is equal to 35. Now take 7 to the RHS, it becomes minus 7. 12D, this is equal to 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7. So now, what is 35 minus 7? It is 28. So now 12D, this is equal to 28. Now D which is equal to 28 divided by 12. So D which is equal to 4 7s are, then 4 3s are. The value of D it is 7 by 3. So we have got the common difference. Next we will have to calculate S13. We have yes n which is equal to Sn which is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Sn which is equal to n by 2 a plus an. What is the n value here? It is 13. Yes, 13 which is equal to 13 divided by 2 into the bracket a. What is a here? It is 7 plus a 13. Next, so see here, yes, 13 which is equal to 13 by 2 inside the bracket 7 plus a 13 value, it is 35. 35. So now, yes, 13 which is equal to 13 by 2 into how much we get now? If we add these two, we get 42. So we get 42. So now, yes, 13 which is equal to 13. So 2 ones are 2, 21s are. So into 13 into 21. Yes, 13 which is equal to, we get 273. So this is the value of 273. So pause the video to note it down. Okay, the next question it is A12 which is equal to 37 and D equal to 3. Find A and S12. So first we'll write the given information here. A12 this is equal to 37 and then D which is equal to 3. So now A12 consider A12 now see here A12 this is equal to 37. What is A12? It is A plus 11D. This is equal to 37. So now let us substitute the value of D here. A plus 11 into 3 which is equal to 37. So now A plus 33 this is equal to 37. So now A plus A which is equal to, take 33 to the RHS, it becomes minus 33. So 37 minus 33, 37 minus 33. So A which is equal to 4. So we have got the value of A here. Next we will have to calculate S12. So now see here, we have Sn which is equal to n by 2 A plus an. So S12 which is equal to 12 by 2. Then inside the bracket A. What is A? It is 4 plus A. What is the value of n here? It is 12. So it is A12. So now S12 which is equal to 12 by 2, it is 6. Then inside the bracket 4 plus A12. A12 value it is 37. So add 37 here. Then S12 which is equal to 6 into how much we get now? 37 plus 4 it is 41. So 41. So now S12 which is equal to 246. So this is the value of S12. So this is all about the third sub question. Okay, the next one it is fourth question. A3 which is equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, and we have to find common difference and 10th term of an AP. So first we'll write the given information. Here A3 which is equal to 15 and then S10 which is equal to 125. So now first I will take up this one. A3 which is equal to 15. What is A3? A plus 2D. A plus 2D which is equal to 15. I call this as equation number 1. Now I will go for S10. So we have Sn which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now see here, yes, what is the value of n here? It is 10. So S10 which is equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So we get 9d here. 9d. Then S10 which is equal to 10 by 2, it is 5 into the bracket 2a plus 9d. So now what is the value of S10? It is 125. So now 125 which is equal to 5 inside the bracket 2a plus 9d. So now you take 5 to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. 125 divided by 5, this is equal to 2a plus 9d. So now, here if you simplify this, we get 25. So 25 which is equal to 2a plus 9d, or this implies 2a plus 9d which is equal to 25. So call this as equation number 2. So now we will have to solve equation 1 and equation 2 in order to get the value of a and d here. So now in order to make a equal, we have to multiply equation 1 by 2 so that we get 2a here. So now multiply equation 1 by 2. So both the sides we have to multiply by 2. So it becomes 2a plus 4d which is equal to 30. Call this as equation number 3. So now we have to solve equation 2 and equation 3. So solving 2 and 3. So see here. First I will write equation 3. So 2a plus 4d, 2a plus 4d which is equal to 30, and then 2a plus 9d which is equal to 25. So here go for the sign change, minus plus 2a minus 2a get cancels, 4d minus 9d it is minus 5d. This is equal to 5. 30 minus 25 will give us 5. Then d which is equal to minus 1. So we have got the value of d. Substitute d equal to minus 1 in equation 1 or in equation 2, we get the value of a. I will substitute in equation number 1. So put d equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. So a plus 2 into d. In place of d, I will write minus 1. This is equal to 15. So now a minus 2 is equals to 15. A which is equal to 15 plus 2. Take minus 2 to the RHS, it becomes plus 2. A is equals to 17. So we have got the value of a here. So now we have the value of a and d. What we have to find here? We have to find a10. We have already calculated d here. The value of d is minus 1. Now see here, the 10th term is therefore a10 which is equal to a plus 9d. a10 which is equal to a. What is a here? It is 17. So write 17 plus 9 into d. It is minus 1. So 9 into minus 1. So here a10 which is equal to 17 minus 9. So a10 which is equal to 17 minus 9 will give us 8. So this is the 10th term. So this is all about the fourth sub question.